So hello friends, today we will learn how to add shortcuts in Google Chrome. So it is very easy. If you do not know, watch the entire video. First, on your phone, open Google Chrome. Watch the full video. So first open Google on your phone, in which you search Amazon. After doing that, go to the website and whichever site you want to pin, and click on the three dots above. Click on add to bookmark. Look, the bookmark is done. It will run again in Homebus, and then click on the three dots again to see if it was bookmarked or not. You can see mine got bookmarked. Again, we will go back to the home page. See, if it hasn't reached you, then I will refresh it a little. I will check in the bookmark, and look, here it is.